Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create a water condensation effect inside Cinema 40. So we have this model. I have this model. You will find it to download in the link in the description. So let's start. First of all, let's create a sphere. Decrease the size to 1.5 centimeters. Then decrease the segments to 6, and then go make it editable. Select polygon and then right click and choose subdivide, click option and smooth subdivision. Okay, we have this one here. Now let's go to sculpt window and then brush and then pull and then grab, not pull tool, sorry, and then go to this one and start grabbing until you got what you need. Okay, until you got what you need. By the way, this is version 18, so some options doesn't available in older versions like R17. Are going to use an effector and it doesn't exist in R17, just R18, R19 or R20. So let's grab, keep grabbing until you got what you need. Okay, I'm going to stop grabbing right here. You can keep grabbing if you have time. Alright, let's add a deformer, smoothing deformer. Make it as a children of sphere. Then increase the stiffness, then make current state object. Okay, hide this one, maybe you are going to need it. Then are going to graph cloner and then grab the sphere inside the cloner as a child of it, then choose object mode, then choose an object body can, then go here and in the distribution and choose surface. Alright, we got this. Then go to count and increase it to 600 maybe. This is cool. We have a result. Now we are going to add an effector. Select cloner, go to MoGraph effector and push apart. This effector doesn't exist, only in R7, R18 and 19 and 20. Push apart. I'm not going to use push apart mode, but the scale apart mode will be better. Now go and reduce, change the reduce to 1.5. Okay, we got this. So cute, so cute. Yeah. 2, yes, and then the iteration 35. It's my best. Two, 6. Okay, this is better. Now let's get back to cloner and reduce this to 108,000, 1,800, 1,800. Get back to push apart and to 3. No. To 8. This small, yes, the small value that you input here, the bigger object that you had, that you got. The small object bigger. The low value that you input here, the small means that you have, you will. Okay. If you put a small low value like 0.5, 0.5, and you click enter, you got a bigger object. If you increase it to 5, for example, you will get a small object. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, 1.8, and then add select cloner and add a random selection, random effector, not random selection. Okay, position, scale, inform scale. Okay, then position will be better. Okay, so it's perfect. It's perfect. Now we have a object that we are looking for. Let's go and add okay, let's explain something. For example, I have to add a texture here. Now we have this texture. Okay, editor. Okay, I have this texture here, this texture and this logo, Fanta. We don't want the water condensation to be on top of the logo and to cover the logo, because it will look, sometimes it will look like it will look ugly, I guess. So we have to make the water be here, just here, and some of small parts in the top of the logo. Okay, we have to select the cloner, go to Homography Vector and plane. Let's go and increase this to 600. Okay, go to plane and parameter and fall out parameter, yes, it's cool, and fall out capsule. Okay, let's reduce all this cylinder. It's better. Cylinder will be better. Six. Okay, scale. Before and then okay, creating a plane. Let's go to parameter and uniform scale. Okay, then we have an area doesn't covered by the water condensation drops. Okay, let's add the texture to see where is the logo. Then let's grab this the water condensation droplets to be here. Okay, go to plane, deformer, foot out, and foot out, and then 8 here and 8 centimeters. Then this will be better. Okay, get back to random effector and go to parameters and okay, add a rotation, give it a rotation for 48 for example. Yes, 6 10. Okay, okay, add 108 0. Okay, let's add this. All right. Now let's get back to cloner and decrease the count to 1900, and we got it now. The plane to be here. All right. In this tutorial, it's just simple, just the basics. You can have time. When you have time, you can create better than this. All right. After this, I'm going to add 8 textures. Okay. Just to be sure that droplets water condensation is not cool here. It's not good. Because the sculpt wasn't good, I want to be faster to explain this. I don't want you to have a lot of time to waste a lot of time. So, okay. Now let's increase 2300. Okay, the droplets. And now I'm going to add a texture. For the cam, sorry, for the can, yes, it's okay. And now add a texture for the water. The water, so go to transparency, go to reflectance and remove these speculars. Okay, add a GGX, go to layer Fresnel and the electric. Okay, get back there, then create a water specular. Now get back to transparency and go to refraction per seat and the water. We have the water now. Let's create an aluminium material. In the reflectance, create add GGX, then go to Fresnel and add conductor, then aluminium. Increase the roughness to 15% and add a GGX, another one, and like the first one. Okay, and 13. Okay, then this is the aluminium here, and we have the texture and we have the water drops. Okay, I'm going to create a water drop on top of the can, create another one, and now select reduce to 1 and select the all. Okay, $500, and then go to okay, better, just a basics of creating. Oh my god, that is so slow. Alright, now let's add a sky HDRI. You'll find the whole project in the link in the description. Don't worry about it. I'm going to use a physical render. Okay, then go to add a global illumination. No, just physical render. Now we are going to add a light or 2 lights. Right. And then like unhide the cloners. Then we are going to this one and create a shadow. Okay, let's render to see. Okay, as you can see, it's I think it's perfect. Even the bed sculpting and everything, it's perfect. It's looking good. Okay, let's add a lighting. To the scene. Okay. Yes, just need a little bit of text to be perfect. Okay, let's use this texture, and this time I'm going to light from here. Okay, that's it. It needs a little bit of lighting and some tracks to be perfect. So this was your fast tutorial on how to create a water condensation effect inside Cinema 4D. So thanks for watching, and I'm sorry for my bad English. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe my channel, like the video, and put a comment to tell me what do you think, and tell me if you want a tutorial about something. I'll make it. Just write to me a comment. Thanks again, and see you later.